Hello everyone, looking for the right email marketing service? Then this review is for you. Benchmark is another interesting service that provides a rich assortment of email marketing features available for free. Benchmark has 24/7 tech support even for free plan users, as well as dozens of short but very useful tutorial videos in the service's help center. In addition, and this will be especially interesting for anyone who is not a native speaker of English, Benchmark is one of the few email marketing services that provides support in multiple languages. Dutch, Polish, Turkish, and Swedish are currently available. However, if you're going to use the service for free, you may not get access to some particularly useful features. Take your email marketing to the next level. Benchmark's email marketing service combines superior quality, user-friendliness, and monitoring under one roof, giving you powerful features and tools to target the right audience. The user interface allows you to create high-quality templates and send professional emails with the ability to monitor when they are delivered to your inbox. Why Benchmark? Template selection and simple template editor, free tariff plan, high-quality user support. Take a closer look at what Benchmark has to offer you. Drag and drop editor lets you move widgets and images like in a puzzle where all the shapes fit. Live editing allows you to directly edit your email template, get an idea of what it will look like using live preview, and update changes as you edit. Response emails read on a computer, tablet, or smartphone will always look great and make an impression. Photo editor. If you don't have Photoshop, don't worry. You can edit your images directly in the email editor, where you can also easily add effects, messages, colors, and fonts. A dream come true for beginners and experts alike. Benchmark seems to be fine, however, in terms of usability, they are below the high point. The editor itself offers many great features and tools available to the end user, but sometimes it can be overly cluttered, leading to confusion and misunderstanding. In addition, we noticed that there is no way to preview how mobile visitors will see your message in the preview section. The service provides a preview for full-screen devices. This is why you should double-check your mobile template or pre-use an online mobile test to make sure that the emails you send will actually work. A variety of tariff plans that can significantly improve the result of email campaigns. After completing your 30-day trial, Benchmark will offer you 5 different pricing plans to choose from. We advise you to choose a plan depending on the number of subscribers. We think that the monthly medium plan is the best option. It allows you to send unlimited emails every month to your list that you have registered from 600 to 1,500 subscribers, using all the features it offers. Always free. This is a great option for startups looking to test email marketing for the first time. However, this option does not determine the number of emails you can send per month. However, you risk nothing. As with many other free plans, in this option you will be limited to the number of outgoing emails your subscribers subscribe through the Benchmark registration form. Keep in mind that you will not be able to import any contacts and that you will be limited to 10,000 emails per month. Medium rate. The medium rate offers different pricing options based on the number of target subscribers who follow you. The medium plan is the best suited for those whose subscribers list range from 600 to 1,500 customers. This plan allows you to run multiple campaigns on your list and gives you access to all the main features. If you need help, you can get full support via email and phone. Larger rate. This rate is for users with subscribers list ranging from 55,000 to 65,000 and growing. All options offer unlimited outgoing emails. Prices range from $286 to $360 per month. This plan will allow you to run multiple campaigns on your list and provide access to all features, including full phone or chat support. Extra large plan. Planning to send over 100,000 emails a month? Benchmark will make sure your emails go straight to your inbox, plus you will have access to every feature and be able to manage sub-accounts. If you want to upgrade to the free plan or just stop sending emails at any time, there will be no penalties. Just make sure you do it before the end of the month. Massive plan, designed for companies sending over 1 million emails monthly and cost between $4,500 and $5,000 per month. As a result of my review, Benchmark scored high among the subjects. While the free of life plan is somewhat limited in its essential features, it provides an excellent email marketing service. Previously, there was no mobile app for Android either, but today with Benchmark Email Designer, you can create flexible mobile templates that adapt to any device. We recommend Benchmark for those looking to send professional quality emails.